Welcome to day 8 of the 10-day springtime juice / fruit cleanse. I say fruit because I do chew some watermelon. I am eating some watermelon, but it's been going really well. Just wanted to give you a little synopsis of my day so far. This morning, my wife and I, we do a tennis court maintenance job. We get up at 5:30 a.m. We're at the job at 6 a.m. We take care of 6 Har-Tru tennis courts. We get those ready for play. Then I had 2 hours of tennis lessons, okay? Now, in the lessons, I'm moving around. I'm hitting the ball. I mean, both of these players I was working with today can play. So we play points, we rally. So it's work, it's physical work, but it's also mental work because you're trying to figure out how to help your student. So I did that, then I came home, I had some OJ, some watermelon, off the charts, really good. And now I'm making this video, and then after this, I'm going to do a workout, at least 30 minutes. That's my minimum workout, 30 minutes to an hour. And I try and do that 6 days a week. I take 1 day off, Sunday. So that's my day so far. And my wife, she's a hard worker. She doesn't stop. I mean, she worked with me this morning, and then now she's helping her sister. And, she just doesn't stop. She's a hard worker. So where do we get this energy? Where do we get it? Well, our fuel source is carbs. Carb up, baby. Carbohydrates are what you want for your fuel source. Why? Because carbs are going to fuel every cell in your body so much more than if you were eating animal-based foods. Now, there's 2 ways of doing vegan. You can do a raw vegan, high fruit, or, just a raw vegan, but there's actually probably more ways of doing raw vegan, but raw vegan or cooked vegan. So where are you getting the sugar content to the cells? What foods? You're getting it, the best food to get it from is fruit. Without a doubt, fruit is the best for fueling your cells with simple sugars. Because as soon as it touches your tongue or you start masticating it, it's already being assimilated by the cells. Now, when you eat tubers, like sweet potatoes, white potatoes, or grains, rice, or quinoa, or beans, legumes, they have to be broken down into those simple sugars, which saps some of your energy, digestion. Whereas fruit is quick. It's a quick digestion, boom, right to the cells. So, though that's really your main fuel source. Fruit is relatively, it's got a nice punch as far as calories. Tubers, your potatoes, your grains, your rice and beans, they have a nice punch when it comes to calories. Vegetables, leafy greens, and vegetables like, broccoli and cauliflower and things like that, very low in calories vegetables are. You're not going to meet your caloric needs if you're thinking, I'm going to eat a lot of salads, unless you poured a ton of olive oil on it, and that certainly is not good. I do not recommend straight oils. No, don't do that. It's pure 100% saturated fat minus the water and the fiber. Eat the olive. But don't overdo it, because olives are high in fat. Because that, to me, is the biggest health problem on the planet. is the overconsumption of animal-based foods. Saturated fats clog your system. Anytime there's pain in the body, it's because your system is clogged, it's congested. What causes a clogged system, congestion? Too much saturated fats, which come from animal-based foods. Now you can, when you look at avocados, nuts, seeds, they have saturated fats also, but they're a much healthier choice, but you still have to eat those foods in small, very small quantities, okay? You don't want to overeat avocados, nuts, or seeds. So that's basically it, you know. Remember, sugar fuels every cell in the body. Now, when I say sugar, see, most people go, sugar? That's bad. Sugar is good, but we're talking about the good sugar. We're not talking about table sugar or processed sugar that has empty calories. We're talking about the sugar that's inside luscious, ripe fruit. We're talking about that sugar. That's the sugar that you want, okay? So sugar fuels every cell in the body. And when you're on a high carbohydrate diet, you're getting that constant supply. When you're eating fruits and vegetables, even potatoes, rice, beans, legumes, you're getting that constant supply. But when you eat animal products, that animal product has to be turned into simple sugar, which is a process, a digestive process that's sapping your energy. Okay, it's sapping your energy, and it coagulates and congests your body. So you definitely want to stay away from animal-based foods. And the other thing is, when there's less saturated fats in the body, the oxygen delivery to the cells. So if you're on a high carbohydrate diet and you're getting the sugar into the cell, now the sugar has to be broken down even more for energy. And that's called cellular respiration. So you've got the sugar in the cell. Once the oxygen gets into the cell, boom, now you've got energy, okay? That's what energy is. So, you know, everything works better when you're on a low-fat, plant-based diet. For me, raw vegan, high fruit is the top level. Cooked vegan, low-fat is the next best level. Some people are on raw vegan, but they're eating loads of avocados, nuts, and seeds. Not a good way to go. They're not going to have the energy that a low-fat raw vegan will have, and the clarity, and so many other benefits, the flexibility, everything. That's my talk for today, folks. Any questions or comments, please post those below. Thank you so much for all your support. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you are notified next time I put up a video. So thanks again, and to your health, success. Have a great day. Get out there and make it a great day. Take care.